Hello guys, I created a website that is cloned of this website. Okay, so this website is Yatri Doctor, a travel vlogging website. So you can see over here a beautiful navbar and a banner and a beautiful hover design in the button section, and you can see over here a login button and so more. Okay, so here this is my cloning website. You can access this in the GitHub. I'll provide you the link in the video description. You can check it. So this is my website. You can see here a similar type of nav bar, and you can see here a hover animation. If I scroll down, you can see here a video section. Uh, the video will play if I click in the play button, and you can see over here two divs. The right side div have a testimonial content, and in the left side div have a two section, a video section and a photo section. If I scroll down, you can see here the banner that is dynamically zoom in and zoom out. I think this is 10 second. Let me check. uh, if I search here the scale, yes, this is animation, the 10-second scale of animation and infinite alternate. So here you can see a logo. If I click in the logo section, the page will reload, and you can see here a login button. If I click over here, it will appear a pop-up section, and here here you can see the two option, that is Google, login with Google and login with email. And if you don't have account, you can access another option, that is sign up. And you can see over here a cross section. If I click in the cross section, the pop-up will disappear. uh, these things I did with using the JavaScript. You can see over here, if I click in the navigation button, you can see here the login pop-up will block. Neither displays block, and neither displays none. After clicking the cross mark, the display will be none. Okay, so if I click here the get set fly, this button, you can see here a hover animation and a uh, background shadow option. Simply you can see over here. Wait, let me check. Mm, ah, in this section, I created this cool hover animation. Okay, in this section, when I hover, the background color of the button will be black and solid white border, like that. Okay, so you can access the code. I show you. Simply you can visit my GitHub profile, and this is the link, that is the travel log. You can access the all code over here. Okay, so I have another function. If I click in this button, you can see here the cards. I have 4 cards, and when I hover in the card, the it is it is like it will pop like 3D animation. Okay, so that is, you can check it, and you can create your own. You can customize, and you can also tag me in LinkedIn. That is a link I will provide you in the video description. So that is for today, guys. Goodbye. Let's code. And you can suggest me any website or clone for cloning. Okay.